northeastern Ohio, southwestern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, northern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greene, or 11 miles south of Akron, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
It's so fucking delayed, bro.
Source, radar indicated.
Of course it is.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Alliance, Talmadge, North Canton, Sebring, Mogador, Doylestown, Parkville.
98.9's going. 98.9.
A thunderstorm was located near Greene, or 11 miles south of Akron, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Any size storm. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations include Akron, Ravenna, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Alliance, Talmadge, North Canton, Sebring, Mogador, Doylestown, Hartville, New Franklin, Norton, Brimfield, Canal Fulton, Randolph, Lakemore, Atwater, and Edinburgh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, and Wayne.